ice egyo gye muwulira kika ky'ekiragala abantu kye batera okukolesa. So ice, it's called crystal mether. It is a drug that people are using for recreational purposes to bring happiness or to bring enjoyment or pleasure in their lives. Now, that drug has 3 chemicals that stimulate someone's body. So the moment you take that drug, it stimulates your body, it goes to your brain and your body. Kakati bwetuuka eyo, shutting down the normal functioning, Katonda gye yatuteekamu okusanyuka, kubanga ereeta okusanyuka which is beyond. So it overloads the body system, and in most cases when it happens, now someone's body shuts down. That's why sometimes when people take them, it lasts in their bodies for 4 to 12 hours before they can recover and get back to normal. Now, there are so many effects that there are so many effects of drug and substance abuse. First of all, it causes someone to get panic attacks. It causes anxiety. In long term, in a long term, it also causes depression. It causes paranoia, which is excessive fear that someone goes through, and it distorts the way they function and carry out their normal daily life.
Before muntu nga tannagenda mu rehab, tewali solution ndala before nga tannagenda mu rehab kye basobola mukolera natagenda mu rehab?
Ye solution weziri. First of all, engeri gye nayogedde, bw'owulira nga otandise okolesa bino ebiragala, otandise kufuna signs zenyogeddeko, nga toyebaka bulungi, tolya bulungi, essaawa yonna omuntu bw'ayogera ekintu owulira bikutamye oyagala omukube, those are red flags and indicators or signs that whatever drugs you're doing, they are affecting you.
Gwenga omusawo banga counselor banga psychologist, bubaka ki bwowa naddala abayimbi kuba bo bakulu abanywa ebiragalagala?
You're an inspiration to the young generation. We want to encourage you to create awareness on drug and substance abuse and tell them that it is not good for them. And if you are taking them, please stop, because there are many young people who are looking up to you and they want to be like you.